Okay, this is another yield to maturity calculation. Decor Interiors has an outstanding bond that was issued 20 years ago. The bond has a maturity value of $1,000, a 5.5% coupon rate of interest. Interest is paid semi-annually. The bond matures in 5 years. It is currently selling for $1,022. What is the bond's yield to maturity? So just like when we're doing calculating prices, the fact that the market value or the price of the bond is greater than the maturity value, this means that the yield to maturity on the bond is going to be less than the coupon rate. So let's see, do a calculation and see if that's the case. So equals 5 times 2, 10 semi-annual periods. All right, so negative 1,022 is the current market value. The coupon payment is 1,000 times 0.055 divided by 2. No, not divided by, there, times the 2750 every 6 months, and then $1,000 future value, so equals rate, and we got number of periods 10, payment the 2750, PV the 1,022, and then the future value or face value of the bond $1,000. So 2.5%. So the yield maturity is 2.5% times 2, or 5%.